To encourage adoption of EVs, LTA is progressively building out EV charging infrastructure. Under the pilot tender, we've already installed more than 600 charging points in approximately 200 locations island-wide, making charging even more convenient. Let's hear what EV drivers feel about their EV charging experience.
Basically, I feel that the infrastructure charging point in Singapore is improving over the past couple of years.
I think his infrastructure is quite adequate for the current base of EV population in Singapore.
I think the charging infrastructure is coming up quite rapidly. I can see shopping malls installing charging stations every time I pass a new one. And also the HDB car parks, multi-story car parks, the charging infrastructure is boosting up quite significantly.
I will normally charge at HDB car park and commercial building.
Shopping centres, most of the shopping centres, and now the HDB blocks as well.
I usually charge my vehicle either in the workplace, in my office. If not, usually I will charge it at a place where I'm having my lunch at.
I will normally look for available charging points on my Transport SG app.
I would usually open up the My Transport SG app, enter their address, and actually the app will tell us where are the nearest charging points that we can use.
The obvious benefit is the environmental side. There's no emissions coming out of the EV at all.
2 years ago, when I decided to look for a bigger car, that was where EV started to be popular, and I thought, why not try out an EV vehicle? And I also thought that it's more environmentally friendly.
I understand the government will be putting in place more charging points in the future. I think that will make it easier for the EV owners.
In November 2022, a large-scale tender was launched to deploy charging points across close to 2,000 HDB car parks. By 2030, there will be 60,000 charging points, with 40,000 charging points located in public car parks. EV charging points will be even more accessible to EV drivers.